It's prime time and so is the time for your personal finance bulletin. You're watching Money Time. I'm Shrestha Tiwari. Over to the top stories tonight. India's second largest information technology services company, Infosys, missed analyst estimates for the March quarter. The IT giant's Q4 PAT came in at 6,128 crore rupees, down by nearly 16% quarter on quarter, while revenue also dipped by 2.2% sequentially to 37,441 crore rupees. Although the IT giant has reported increment in revenue and profit growth on yearly basis, Infosys board approved final dividend of 17.50 rupees for FY23. Mahindra has hiked prices of some of its variants of Thar. The SUV has become costlier by up to 1.05 lakh rupees. Top diesel variant of Thar will now cost you 16.77 lakh rupees, although price of the base variant of Thar remains unchanged at 13.49 lakh rupees. Maruti's Ertiga and Ignis have also become costlier. Price of Ertiga's base variant will now start from 8.64 lakh rupees, while the price of the top end variant will start from 13.08 lakh rupees, while price of the sports hatchback Ignis will start from 5.84 lakh rupees. ICICI Bank has raised interest rates of fixed deposits of minimum 2 crore rupees. The private bank will now give as high as 7.25% on FDs of 1 year. On 5-year FDs, account holders will get 6.75%. On shortest tenure of 7 days, account holders will get 4.75% interest. ICICI Bank does not give senior citizens any additional rate on FDs of 2 crore rupees and more. And equity mutual funds have seen inflows worth 20,530 crore rupees in the month of March, led by thematic funds and on back of robust SIP flows. The flows were higher by about 32% compared with 15,567 crore rupees in the preceding month. Investors favored thematic and sectoral funds in March as they invested 3,928 crore rupees in these schemes. Almost all the categories in the equity segment witnessed positive inflows. That said, multi-cap funds and focus funds struggled along with large-cap schemes. Sales of passenger vehicles grew 4.7% in March at 2,92,030 units as compared to the same month last year, which the Society of Indian Automobiles Manufacturers has said. In March last year, wholesales of passenger vehicles were at 2,79,525 units. Two-wheeler sales clocked at around 12,90,553 units as compared to 11,98,825 units in the year-ago period. Total vehicle wholesales last month stood at 16,37,048 units as compared to 15,10,534 units a year ago. It added, for 2022-23, the sales were 38,90,114 units as compared to 30,69,523 units in the previous year. And now for some news on corporate results. India Inc. is likely to report a halving of revenue growth in the fourth quarter of FY23 according to ratings agency CRISIL. The revenue growth will come down to 10 to 12% as against 22.8% for the January to March period in the year ago. For the full fiscal FY23, revenue is estimated to have grown 19 to 21%, which is slower than over 27% growth registered in FY22. The operating margins are likely to come down by 3 percentage points. US inflation is one of the most watched economic numbers across the globe, and that's because it decides the further trajectory of Fed actions, which in turn determines government bond yield across the globe and also actions by different central banks. On that front, there is good news as the consumer price index in the US increased by 5% in March. It was 6% in February, and now at one place inflation is ebbing down. While on the other hand, recent economic data in US suggests that there is some softness in the economy. Non-farm payrolls in the US increased by 236,000. This is the smallest increase since 2020 December. Even annual growth of hourly wage came at 4.2%, which is the lowest increase since 2021 June. With lingering banking crisis, there is anticipation that Fed may not be aggressive in a rate hike. This is positive news for the global economy and markets as well. That's all tonight on Money Time. For more personal finance updates, keep watching Money9.